This semester in plumbing, we learned what types of pipe are for what fixtures and what their sizes are for and how much pressure they can hold. We plumbed up a hot water heater, we plumbed up a sink, we plumbed up a shower and a toilet, and we learned the difference in PVC, CPVC, PEX, and a bunch of different types of pipe.
I really thought was interesting was learning how a drain, waste, and vent system worked and had and why is needed. We used the IPC or International Plumbing Code Book to learn the required number of fixtures that could run on one venting system. I also learned about auto vents and how they worked and when they are appropriate to install. We also installed 2 toilets with water supplies, and that was really fun.
Alright, so first we started with the hose that we connected here to get the water supply to the water heater. And then after the water heater, we hooked up all the cold water and the hot water. And then we run it through the sink.
You forgot the hot water.
Oh yeah, that's it, cold water and hot water.
Alright. And then you have your sink right here. And then you have your drainage that goes down here.
So I connected to
Well, I'll connect it to your shower, and then you got your vent under here for the sink, and then you have your shower head, which has hot and cold water, as you can tell. Here's another vent, which helps that water go to your out.